VALGuard is a vascular access line guard intended to protect line-to-line connections from external contamination. The product will simply be placed around the line connections, forming a protective pocket that provides a barrier to any form of gross contamination. It consists of a quick-release strip down the center and an adhesive border around the outside edges. The center is free of adhesive, keeping your lines protected from any sticky residue. The product contains a 3-piece paper backing. Begin in the center by peeling away the middle portion of the paper labeled 1. Pulling from the middle is easiest, ensuring that you aren't coming into contact with the perforation of the blue quick-release tab. From there, you align the tubing across the blue strip and apply slight pressure to the adhesive that has been exposed from the backing. This will help keep your line in place while moving on to the next steps. You will do that on both sides and then fold VALGuard over itself like a taco, aligning each corner on the outside edges. From there, you will apply pressure to the bottom left and right corners of the VALGuard to seal the line within the lower portion of the pouch. Pinching the bottom corners is an important step as it ensures a good seal and makes it much easier for the edges to align properly. Next, you will secure your bottom line portion while you butterfly the 2 remaining pieces of paper labeled 2. Once secured on the bottom, you will do a rolling motion with your top right hand, feeling for a release of tension from the paper backing and the adhesive. This will be done on both sides. Once completed, you may remove the excess paper from the VALGuard, allowing the 2 adhesive sides to come together. To make the product smaller, if needed, to accommodate tiny patients, if multiple lumens make lines bulky, or if the product is in close proximity to the body. You will start the process as normal, but when lining the edges up, offset them just a bit to leave a thin layer of adhesive exposed. Remove the paper backing per usual, and then fold the VALGuard over itself to the size desired. You can make it as small as you would like, as long as you ensure that you aren't compromising the blue quick release tab, as you will want full access to ensure easy removal. To remove VALGuard, grasp the blue quick release tab on either side while securing the opposite end. Peel away the blue strip and pull the remaining plastic from the tubing.